Hi, Ben Llywelyn. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you 11 animals in the Cornish language. This will help you see the language, hear it, and become more familiar with it. I will put the English translation on one side below and the French translation on the other, for those of you who speak French. If you haven't subscribed yet, help me bring humanities and languages into your life and other people's lives by clicking that subscribe button now. And if you have any messages below, I'd be happy to get back to you about that. Now let's get started about those 11 animals. Gwywer, Key, Pisk, Air, Rudek, Conin, Golam, Loarn, Calf, Carrow, Hoch, Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.